Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Secret Sister Dips. These are two new colors and they're super bright and perfect for the summer season. And we're also going to add a touch of sparkle today in this mani. So the first color here, it's Marmalade Skies. It's a beautiful bright pink and it has the most subtle shimmer to it and it's so pretty and eye-catching. This is like the perfect hot pink that your nails are craving for the summer season. And wait till you see this color here once it's dipped. We are doing the gel method today, and wait till you see the first dip here. Check out how bright that is with just one dip here. It is stunning, and you can see there when the light hits it, it has like this very pretty shimmer to it. It's not overpowering at all. It's very pretty and I really like the shimmer to this. So we're gonna apply this beautiful pink to every other nail for this mani here. I love this color so much, and this also would look beautiful with a matte finish, but it is perfect for the summer season and one coat does go a long way. It's very full coverage and pigmented, and this color right here also works great with the gel method. You will notice when we are applying even that second layer and when we're curing that it is not turning like splotchy or anything like that. Sometimes pinks and reds can have like some splotchiness to them after you cure them, or the color will be a lot darker. It just sometimes happens with the gels, but not with these colors. Also, you could see there that there was no staining on my brush when we were using this beautiful vibrant pink, so that is a plus as well. But check out that second dip. It's even more bright and vibrant, and right here you can see the difference here, 2 dips versus 1. Just that second dip really just amps up that beautiful pinkness, and this is definitely giving me tropical Barbie vibes for sure. But I really like bright pink, and we are in July now and I have not used enough bright colors. So this month on my channel, we're going to do some really fun bright color manis. So stay tuned for that, and we're going to kick it off here with this beauty right here. Marmalade Skies is such a fun name for this dip powder. It's the perfect pink. And when you see this color outside too with that shimmer, it takes this mani to a whole nother level. Then this one is my favorite. It is called Hot in Here, and this is a beautiful fun glitter. It is cram packed full of tons of goodies. It has irregular shaped glitters, fine glitters, and a little bit of chunky glitters in here, but overall it's a fine glitter mix. So since we are doing the gel method, I am gently pressing down these glitters because we did not cure it yet. So when you are pressing down, just want to make sure that you have a light finger when you are tapping these glitters down. But these glitters are melting down into these gels, so it's applying very thin, and you're going to see that here again with this dip how flat these are laying to the nail. And I'm just cleaning up the sidewall area and that free edge by just gently pressing down these glitters. But isn't this glitter so fun? There's like even little shard pieces of glitter in here. It's just so fun and pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. We're going to dust it off. But these glitter nails for Hot in Here, I mean, they're perfect on their own with one dip, but I really want to build up this sparkle, and it is a whole nother level when you do a second dip of this beautiful dip here, and you're going to see the comparison here in just a second. But I really like this glitter. I think it's super fun and it's very easy to work with, and I had very little filing and buffing to do when it came to this glitter. But I just love the different irregular shapes with this glitter. And then you can see here that the vibrancy is definitely there when we go in with that second dip. So that is all we're doing today for this mani. We're keeping it really simple. We're just doing 2 dips. That's all you need. If you are trying to build up strength or structure on your nail, definitely go ahead and do 3 dips. If you are trying to reduce bulk with the glitter, you could always do a layer of clear first, then the glitters. But these glitters are laying so flat on the nail, you're not going to have any problems with the bulk. So here is the mani, and then we're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then we're going to file and buff. And this is all I had to do for this mani. So I'm filing right now. All I'm doing is cleaning up the sides there. And this is a press-on nail, so I do have putty on there. The putty does move around a little bit, but you just have to hold onto that nail. So that's how it is staying on that little nail platform there. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this buffer block, and we're just going to file down. Now, I did not clear encapsulate this because I really wanted to see how these powders performed without clear encapsulating on this pink nail here only. I did the buffing. I did not buff on those glitters because they laid super flat to the nail. And for the glitter nails, I just cleaned up the sidewalls and the free edge, and that was it. So then to seal in this mani, I'm going in with a top coat. Now, if you ever experience any flaking or peeling, if you just go in with a top coat, do a layer of gel base first, cure that for 30 seconds, then go in with your favorite top coat, and then at the end, just cure that for 60 seconds. And that is all I did for this mani. I had very minimal filing and buffing, and I love that in a dip powder. So here's the finished mani. I love it so much. These colors are everything, and it's definitely getting me ready for that July season with that pops of color. Now, to be honest with you, bright colors are just extra fun for me in the summer. I like bright colors all year long. There's just something about bright colors and glitter that I gravitate towards the most, and these colors right here are beautiful. It's not your normal pink. It's a hot pink, but yet it has like the most beautiful, like subtle shimmer to it. So if you like hot pink with a light shimmer, Marmalade Skies is gonna be a perfect pink to add to your collection. And then Hot in Here is just a beautiful, fun, irregular shaped glitter. I cannot stop staring at it. It is very glittery, very hypnotizing, and every time I look at it, I see like a different color in the light. Overall, it's beautiful. You can see here in the light there's like a little pop of pink glitter when the light hits it a certain way that really enhances Marmalade Skies. Overall, I'm completely in love with how simple this mani is, but yet we have that pop of color and glitter. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. If you haven't tried Secret Sisters, definitely head over to her website. She has amazing dip powders. There's definitely going to be some colors that catch your eye, and I will see you all in the next upload.